Let's be real. Everyone tells you to save your money, and then someone else says, no, invest it, it'll grow faster. So you're stuck thinking, wait, what's the right thing to do? Should I put it in a savings account or throw it in the stock market? What if I make the wrong move and lose everything? Well, don't worry. Today we're breaking it down. Simple, clear, and honest. Saving versus investing. What's better for you, and when to do each. Hey, welcome back to the channel, where we talk real money, real life, and smart decisions. No hype, no fluff, just honest guidance that actually makes sense. Today we're diving into a question that confuses a lot of people. Should I be saving or investing? Because while both are good, they're not the same. And depending on where you are in life, your goals, your income, your risk tolerance, one may be way smarter than the other. So by the end of this video, you'll know what saving really means, what investing is, and what it's not, how to know which one fits your goals, and a super simple framework for choosing the right path right now. Let's get into it. Saving equals safety. It means putting your money somewhere low risk and easy to access, usually in a savings account, money market account, or even cash envelopes if you're old school. You're not trying to grow the money like crazy, you're just protecting it, so it's there when you need it. Think, emergency fund vacation savings, a car you're buying in 6 months, rent money. The key is, savings equals short-term and secure. You're trading big growth for peace of mind. Investing equals growth. Investing is about putting your money to work in things like stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, or even your own business. The goal, grow your wealth over time. But here's the catch, investing comes with risk. Your money might go up or down. That's why investing is for the long term, not next month, not next year. We're talking 5, 10, 20 plus years. So, saving is for stability. Investing is for building wealth. They serve different purposes, not one better than the other. Good question. Here's how to figure it out. Let's start with 3 quick checks. 1. Do you have an emergency fund? If not, stop everything and build that first. Seriously. Before investing a dime. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. For job loss, car repairs, medical bills, how much should you have? 3 to 6 months of living expenses is the gold standard. So if you spend $2,000 a month, aim for $6,000 to $12,000 saved. Once that's in place, then you can look at investing. 2. Do you have any high-interest debt? Credit cards with 20% interest? That's eating your money faster than any investment can grow it. So if you're carrying high-interest debt, focus on paying it off first. It's like getting a guaranteed return on your money without the risk. 3. What are your short-term goals? If you need the money within the next 3 years, save it. Why? Because investing is unpredictable in the short term. Imagine you invest your vacation fund, and the market drops 20%. Now you can't afford that trip, or worse, you sell at a loss. So ask yourself, are you buying a house soon? Getting married? Planning a move? If the goal is under 3 years away, save. If it's 5+ years out, invest. Here's how to keep it simple. Start with what you understand. You don't need to pick individual stocks or chase trends. Consider index funds, broad market exposure, low fees, ETFs, easy to buy, sell, beginner-friendly, target date funds, auto-adjust over time for retirement. If your job offers a 401k with a match, start there. That's free money. Don't leave it on the table. If not, consider opening a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, depending on your income and tax needs. And remember, investing is not gambling. You're not trying to time the market. You're building wealth slowly, consistently, and with purpose. Here's the truth. You don't have to choose between saving or investing. You do both, but in the right order. Let's break it down. Step 1. Build your emergency fund. This is where your financial journey starts. Before you even think about investing, before you worry about the stock market or crypto, you need a cushion. An emergency fund is your first layer of protection. It's like armor for your bank account. Because here's the truth. Life happens. Flat tires, job layoffs, medical bills, unexpected travel. If you don't have a buffer, those emergencies become debt traps. You'll reach for a credit card or a loan, and suddenly, your stress multiplies. So what's the goal? 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your monthly needs are $2,000, aim for $6,000 to $12,000 saved in a separate, easy-to-access account. Not your checking account, someplace out of sight, out of swipe range. Even if you can only save $100 a month, start. Small steps turn into strong foundations. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Once you've got some breathing room in your emergency fund, next comes the enemy, bad debt. And by bad debt, I mean debt that's high interest. Think credit cards, payday loans. Not building wealth, unlike maybe a mortgage or student loans. Draining your income with no return. Let me say this clearly. If your debt is charging you 20% interest, no investment can beat that. You're losing money faster than you can grow it. So in this phase, your number one job is to stop the bleeding. Use the snowball method if you want quick wins. Pay off smallest debts first. Or use the avalanche method if you want to save the most money long term. Pay off the highest interest rate first. Either way, treat your debt payoff like an investment, because that's exactly what it is. An investment in your freedom, your options, and your peace of mind. Step 3. Save for short-term goals. Okay, let's say your emergency fund is ready and you've tackled your high-interest debt. Now what? Now it's time to look ahead at your short-term goals. Think, a vacation next summer, a new laptop, a wedding, a car down payment, a move to a new city. Anything that's coming up in the next 1 to 3 years falls into this category. And here's the rule. If it's a short-term goal, don't invest that money. Why? Because the market goes up and it goes down. And if you need that money when the market's down, you'll be forced to sell at a loss. That's not a strategy. That's a panic button. So keep your short-term savings in a high-yield savings account or money market account, someplace safe, liquid, and reliable. You're not looking for massive growth. You're protecting your timeline. So where do you start? Trying to invest before you're ready is like running before you can walk. You'll fall, you'll panic, you'll pull out your money too soon. Then you'll feel like investing doesn't work. But when your foundation is solid, investing becomes powerful. You're not desperate. You're not rushed. You can ride the waves because your short-term needs are covered. Don't let FOMO pressure you into putting money in places you don't understand. Don't invest because someone on TikTok told you to. Invest because you've built your base. You've handled your responsibilities. Now you're planting seeds for the future. That's how you win. Slow, steady, intentional growth. So, let's bring it home. Saving and investing aren't enemies. They're teammates, with different roles. Saving gives you security. Investing gives you growth. And together, they give you freedom. The key is knowing when to do each. So here's your next step. 1. Build your emergency fund. 2. Kill your high-interest debt. 3. Save for short-term goals. 4. Start investing for your long-term future. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start where you are. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We talk money in real terms here. No jargon, no shame, just progress. And if you're not sure what step you're on right now, drop a comment. Let's figure it out together. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it steady, and keep moving forward. You got this.